Hi everyone, my name is Harrison Ferrone, and I'd like to welcome you to the C# Design Patterns Prototype course. I'm a software developer and instructional author at my own little corner of the world, Paradigm Shift Development. Most days you can find me creating Unity content, doing a bit of freelance iOS development, or editing technical content for the Ray Wenderlich website. Now, software development is full of pesky recurring problems that you'll run into again and again throughout your career. Not to worry, design patterns were canonized for just such occasions when you need some best practices to guide the way forward. This course is a jumping off point into the prototype design pattern in C#, so you don't need any prior experience with them to get the ball rolling. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include defining a food order object class, adding a copy and clone interface, creating a concrete cloning class, differentiating between deep and shallow copying, and use cases and practical applications. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable with identifying and analyzing practical use cases for the prototype pattern, and be ready to bring that code and the skills you've learned into your own C# projects. Since this is an intermediate course, you should be familiar with the C# programming language and know your way around Visual Studio on either Mac or Windows. The beginner level C# fundamentals course in our library can quickly get you up to speed if you're just starting out or if you need a refresher. I hope you'll join me on this journey into software design with the C# Design Patterns Prototype course at Pluralsight.